Now, in the last lesson, we looked at how to update records in our tables, and we looked at the SQL update statement. Now, in this lesson, we're going to look at the last letter of CRUD, which is delete. And if we wanted to delete records, then we can simply write delete from table name where something meets a certain condition. So for example, if I want to delete my record of my pencil, say if I no longer sell pencils anymore in my shop, then I can simply say delete from products table where the name is equal to pencil. Or what would be better is if I actually use its ID, where ID is equal to 2. Now again, be careful that you don't run the statement without a where statement, because that will delete everything in your products table and you'll end up losing all of the data. So it's again a dangerous statement to execute, and make sure that you check your statement before you hit the run button. And now our products table only has one entry left. But through this process, you've seen how we can use the structured query language to create, read, update, and delete data from our SQL table.